Hi everyone, I'm Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. We are continuing our sea animal series for beginners. We already made a starfish, a fish, and an octopus. And today we'll show you step by step how to easily make another very beautiful fish. Let's inflate the balloon with air, leave a long tail and tie it. You can find the link to my How to Tie a Balloon for Beginners video in the description. Inflate the second long balloon in the same way. How to make the fish's lips. Tie the two long balloons together and make 2 pinch twists. How to make the body. Inflate the 5-inch round balloon. Let a little air out to make it more elastic and tie it. Attach the round balloon to the long ones by wrapping the knot around them. How to make the tail. Wrap the long balloons tightly around the round balloon. Squeeze them and twist. Now determine the length of the tail. Twist the balloon. Let the air out. Cut off the excess and tie the end. Repeat the same steps for the second balloon. Then tie the balloons together. Make a figure 8 and twist. Straighten the balloons. The fish's tail is ready. How to make the eyes? Inflate a white balloon slightly and tie it. Make 1 pinch twist. Tie a knot. Then twist the balloon several times to form a small rope. And make another pinch twist. Cut off the excess and tie it. Place the eyes under the long balloon. Use a permanent marker to draw the fish pupils. Easy and simple. Do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. Best wishes, Daisy. Bye!